Links are the websites and addresses that you want to share, sites that have information and resources that visitors may find useful. These can even be links to other sites you own, and they don't have to be external links. They can be internal links to the site. These are not, however, the incoming links from other sites. These links are your outgoing links to display on the site. The Add New Link screen is where these outgoing links are added. The name and the web address are the only required fields. All the others are optional. This screen can be customized by clicking on the Screen Options tab and checking any box you want to show, or uncheck any box you want to hide. There's also an option for a 1 or a 2 column layout. The name, web address, and description are fixed boxes and cannot be moved or reduced like the other boxes. All of the others can be reduced or expanded by clicking the title bar, or they can be moved by hovering over the title bar, holding the left mouse key down, and dragging and dropping the box. The name is what's visible on the site and is a required field. If you don't enter a name, then WordPress will automatically use the web address. The web address is the destination URL of the site for the link and is a required field. These can be external links to other sites, or they can be internal links to your own site. Use the complete URL, including the http://. The description is optional but helpful. How this description is displayed will depend on the theme or the widget being used. Links of similar type can be placed in categories. You can select one or more link categories to associate with the link. Link categories are created in the Link Categories screen, or by clicking the Add New Category line link, entering a name, and clicking the Add button. These link categories are used for links only and are not part of the post categories. There's also a Most Used Link tab. Clicking on this will display the most used link categories in this box. The target box is a selection for how the link will be displayed when it's clicked. None is the default setting and will open the link in the current browser window. Checking blank will open the link in a new window or tab. And top is an option that is available for those using frames. The link destination will open in a current browser window without the current frames. The link relationship XFN tags stands for XHTML Friends Network. XFN tags is an effort to add personal relationship meaning to the links. When you add a new link, you can specify the relationship you have in real life with the person behind the link. XFN relationships are optional. Leaving these unchecked will not affect your links in any way. You can choose as many squared boxes as you want, with the exception of the first one that, if checked, will gray out all the others. With the lines that have the round radio buttons, you can only choose one from that line. The round buttons are set at none as a default. Each one you select will be added to the REL box and will be used in the HTML REL attribute for the link. Check the identity box if the link is one of your websites. This is exclusive of all the others, so checking this box will gray out all the others. The Friendship Radio button specifies different types of relationships. Contact is someone you can get in touch with. Acquaintance is someone you exchange greetings, but not much more. Friend is someone you consider a friend. And none is used as the default. Physical is for someone you've actually met face-to-face. Professional allows you to specify a professional relationship. Coworker is someone you work with or who works at the same organization. Colleague is someone in the same field or activity. Geographical is for a geographical link to the person. Co-resident is someone who shares a street address. Neighbor is someone who lives nearby, perhaps in an adjacent street address or an apartment. None is used for the default. Family is for family relationships. Child is an offspring or someone that you've adopted. Kin is a relative, a part of your extended family. Parent is mother, father, or someone who has adopted you. Siblings is brothers or sisters. Spouse is a significant other. And none is the default category. Romantic defines how you're romantically related to the person. Muse is someone who brings you inspiration. Crush is someone on whom you've had a crush. Date is someone you're dating. Sweetheart is someone whom you are at least somewhat committed, possibly exclusively. The Advanced box allows some additional information to be added to the link. Image address lets you specify the URL of an image to associate with a link that is used by some widgets and in some themes. For instance, If I wanted a light bulb to appear as an image with a Suggest Ideas link, I would download the image to WordPress to the Media Add New screen, edit the image to the size, save and update the changes, copy the URL for the link, and paste it in the image address field, and then click Update Link. Now, when I use the link widget, I can have this image shown next to the Suggest Ideas link. The RSS address is not used by default, but can be used by some themes and plugins. If you have a plugin or a theme that uses the RSS address, then enter the RSS feed URL in the box. Otherwise, leave it blank. Notes are notes to yourself concerning the link and are not displayed on the site or in the link. Rating can be selected to rate a link from 0 to 10, where 0 implies that the link is unrated. What the rating system actually defines on your site is entirely up to you. To keep this link private button in the Save module will make the link private and it will not appear on the site. Click the Add Link button to save the information. A confirmation box will appear at the top of the page with a Link Added message, and the link will then be added to the All Links screen.